In this video, I'm going to show you a few different ways how to fix slow download speeds in your Windows 11 computer. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first one is probably going to be the biggest problem. Make sure you don't have any VPNs running. So yeah, go and check if you got any VPNs running. And if you are, just go ahead and turn them off to fix your slow internet speed. The second option you can try to do is do a search on your computer and then go to settings. Then from here on the left hand side you got different tabs, so click on where it says network and internet, and then we want to go ahead and click onto Wi-Fi. And now go ahead under Wi-Fi, choose your internet connection. So I'm using a mobile hotspot, so I'm going to click onto that. And under where it says properties here, if you've got a metered connection, so as it states metered connection, some apps might work differently to reduce data usage when you're connected to this network. So if you got that on, go ahead and toggle that off and then check if your internet speeds have improved. Alright, so close out of that window. The next thing we can do is go and do a search, and where it says type here, type in data usage overview. Make sure to spell it correctly. Here it is here, so data usage overview, so click into there. Now once this pops up, under more settings, we've got data usage, so go ahead and click into that. So as you can see on your computer, you'll be able to see all your different usage from different apps or programs running on your computer or laptop. What I suggest to do is just have a look at this list and see anything that you don't recognize. Go ahead and uninstall that program. If you're not sure about different services or apps installed here, just do a Google search on them, because you don't want to uninstall something that your computer needs. So yeah, just double check and see what actually the program is if you're not sure of before you uninstall it. So some of these applications might be running in the background and using up your internet, and we don't want that to happen if you got something here that shouldn't be here. So yeah, once you've gone through this list and uninstalled any potential programs that might be using up extra resources on your computer or using your internet speeds, see if that fixes your slow download speeds. Once done, go ahead and close out of that window. If you're still suffering slow download speeds, the next solution is to head back over to your start menu, do a search called Control Panel, and click into Control Panel. I'm going to make these icons a little bit larger so they're easier to see. And from here, under where it says adjust your computer settings, click onto where it says network and sharing center. And on the left hand side, we've got different tabs. We want to click onto where it says change adapter settings. And then from here, you want to right click onto your Wi-Fi or your internet connection. In my case, it's Wi-Fi. So I'm going to right click onto here. Then I want to click onto properties. Move this into the center. I'm going to reopen it up, click onto properties. I'm going to center this again. And now we need to click onto Internet Protocol version 4 and then click properties. And then on the bottom where it says use the following DNS server addresses, click onto that. And in the top, you want to type in 8888. And on the bottom row, we want to do 8844. So 8844, and then click OK. Then click close here. Now from here, we want to click back on the start where it says type in a search, type in CMD. So we need to open up the command prompt. So let's go ahead and open that. I'm going to close that back window. I failed to mention we need to run as administrator, so CMD, and then right click this prompt and yeah, run as administrator, otherwise this won't work. Click yes. Alright, so now we're running this command prompt as administrator. And now where it says Windows System 32, we want to type in ipconfig and then space and then backspace flush DNS and then hit enter. And now what this is going to do, this is going to flush your DNS resolve cache. Once you've done that, close out of that window and check to see if that's improved your slow download speeds. And if it's still not working, just give your PC a reset. and then open it back up and see if that's fixed your issues. Let me know in the comments below if any of the methods I've showed you in this video worked.